This short reveals how sound waves become visual art and interactive displays, turning listening into immersion. Frequencies shape visuals. Low tones form slow curves, high tones create rapid patterns, and louder sounds brighten colors and motion. Examples include a live-led wall shifting colors with music, and a mural tracing sign waves as frequencies shift. Creators use FFT and sampling to translate audio into pixels, lights, or moving sculpture. Techies and art lovers alike can experiment at home, discovering how acoustics meet visual expression.